everyone. How are you?
I'm fine.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, I'm fine. Thank you.
How about you,
Yes,
Miss?
I'm fine too. It's very nice to meet you again. Yeah, in this day. So I hope that you are in a good and stay healthy. So we can study right now, and then you get something, and then you can learn something from this. Yeah. So before I already send the material to you in the e-learning. Yeah, it's about indefinite and indefinite article. Have you ever read that material?
Yes, Miss.
Yes.
Miss.
So, what do you think that? Do you have a question so far about what's definite and indefinite article? What's that? Could you please tell me about what you have read and then did the exercise? So, could you please tell me that your difficulty or some things about this one?
I want to ask a question, Miss.
Okay, Divya. Okay.
So it's a very simple question actually, but I find trouble how to differentiate the use between a and the.
Okay. The use of a and the and that. And you have a problem with that, how to differentiate it. Okay,
Yeah,
just keep it.
I did an exercise yesterday and I found out that I might having difficulty using them.
Okay, so you confuse that when you use a, when you use the to answer that in
Yes.
what word that we use. Okay, good. Thank you, Divya. I will keep that your questions. Okay, how about the other? Have you ever read that? Okay, Nitya.
Can I answer the Divya question?
Okay, you want to answer it? Okay.
Yes, in my opinion, the definite article the is used before a noun to indicate that the identity, the noun is now to the reader. And a and an is used before a noun that is general or when its identity is not noun. There are certain situations in which a noun takes no like that maybe.
Okay, you say that article the that you use for that, you and the reader know that, yeah, what's a noun is said, so that you use put the, but for article that you use for generate or identify, this is a general, yeah, for general. So is that your answer, Nitya? Right?
Yes.
Okay, how about the other? What do you think that, do you have any opinion about that, the use of the article and the? Do you have a difficulty when doing the exercise? Okay,
And this,
Nitya.
in my opinion, the conclusion of the a and an, the first is the before a singular or plural noun.
Okay, it can be used for
the,
singular and okay.
Yes, and a before a singular noun beginning with a consonant sound.
Okay.
And
Okay.
in before a singular noun beginning with a vowel sound like that.
Okay, vowel sound. Okay, for consonant, and for the vowel. Okay, good. Thank you for the information, Nitya. How about the other? Have you ever read that or do the exercise? Yes or no?
Yes, I do.
Just to be honest with me. Yes or no?
No, Miss.
No. Okay, thank you for being honest.
I'm not
Yeah.
read the.
Pardon, Yuda?
I'm not read the exercise yet, Miss.
Okay. Yes,
Sorry.
you are not read. Okay. How about the other?
I'm to
I
Miss.
read some of the material, but not the exercise, Miss.
Okay, not the exercise. Okay. How about the other? Yes, this is one of the lack of student from Indonesia. Yeah, I can say that in generally. Yeah, please. I already told to you. Yeah, before we meet this, I always talk to you that we taught me, please read it. Yeah. Yeah, I send you the material in e-learning so that we can conduct the virtual meeting like this one. But this is not for you. Okay, yes, there is no Miss Rayu for virtual meeting for today. I'm free. No, my dear. Yeah, you still have class with me by learning in e-learning. Yeah, I give you a lot of exercise in there. Yeah. For example, I give you about simple present. I think that I give you, wait, I would like to check my learning. I give you more than one exercise. Have you ever did all of the activity in my learning?
Yes,
Yeah. Here, for example, accountable noun. I give you the material about what's a countable and countable noun. And I give you 2 exercise. Yeah, which is mean that you need to elaborate yourself whether you understand or not with the material that I give. Yeah, if you don't have if you have a problem like this one, we do a discussion like this, like Diva. Divya has a problem when they did the exercise. They're still confused about how to differentiate the use of article the and a. Yeah, when they did the exercise, which is mean good. Yeah, because they read it. Yeah, she read the article and she read the exercise and then try to answer, but they're still confused. So that when we have time to do a virtual like this one, is to be open, yeah, kan, to do discussion. Yeah. How about the other, this one, like a simple present and present continuous. We already conduct it, all right? I already give you the exercise, also quizzes, yeah? And then you say that you understand the difference between simple present and present continuous. To make your understanding more confident, I ask you to do the exercise in the learning. I give you four exercise. Ya, kurang banyak exercise kalau 4. Enggak kan? Lumayan banyak, ya kan? To elaborate yourself, to reflect, to evaluate whether you understand or not with the use of simple present or present continuous. Yeah, and then the next material that I give it to you is about indefinite and indefinite article. I give it in the last week, all right? Am I right? I give this art and I share in a learning in the last week, all right? About indefinite and where?
Yes, Miss.
Yes. Okay. So you don't have time to read. Please read it. Yeah. Try to answer so you can learn without me. Yeah. You can learn with your friends. You can learn also in internet. Yeah. So that when we can meet like this one, we can have a discussion. I'm not explain one by one again. You also have the knowledge in your mind about this material, and then let's we do the discussion. That's what I want. Yeah, because we are going to catch up another material. Yeah, we are going to continue to the passive voice. You can check the semester plan that I have made. All right. Yeah, in there you can find that the next topic after definite indefinite article, what is that? Have you checked it, my semester plan that I share you in e-learning? Not yet?
Yes, Miss, I already checked the semester plan.
Yes. What is the material after we learn about definite and indefinite article?
Is it passive voice?
Passive voice. That's what we are going to catch up. Yeah. After this, we are going to learn about passive voice, again about present and past perfect, something like that one. Yeah. Please. Yeah. Read exercise. Read exercise. If you cannot answer the exercise, okay, note it. Oh, I have a problem with this. I cannot differentiate. If I have a virtual like this one, we can do a discussion. Okay? Okay?
Okay, Miss.
Yeah,
Okay.
please. Please, ya, please. If I send it the material untuk e-learning, read it, ya kan? Try to answer the exercise. Yeah, we have a virtual like this one. We can do a discussion, and then you can answer it. Yeah, okay, okay. Okay, sekarang so because you don't read the PowerPoint, I give you again this one. Yeah, can you see that my slide?
Yes, Miss. Clear.
Okay, yes, clear.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, I would like to see you here. Yes, this is discussion. Here, I would like to I send this to you. Discuss together when we can use the and the cannot use the. Discuss. You can do this discussion with your friend. You can ask your friend first. Hi, what do you think that after you read this? What do you think when we can use and we cannot use the article the? When we use an. Give example. You can do this discussion. Why I put it the slide in the second slide about this one, discussion, which is mean that I would like you to do discussion with your friends about the use of this one. Yeah, because you not read the PowerPoint or that, how you can do a discussion. Yeah, this one, use the article. Yeah, as exactly as we know that noun have divided into two, countable and uncountable noun, not like what we have learned in the previous, countable and uncountable. Countable, something that can be count, they have a singular and a plural, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, and then uncountable, we cannot count it. Yeah, we can count if we put the identifier like a cup of, a bar of, yeah, agree that? A gallon of, a box of, something like that one. Uncountable can be countable if we put the identifier in front of them. Yeah, but for uncountable, we just put S or ES, depend with the word to make it plural. All right? Yeah, for example, apple. If you want to be plural, we say that apples. Yeah, something like that one. And then singular, yeah, in the singular countable noun, we have to put, we can put an, is depend with the vocal or consonant sound. Yeah, for example, university, we put a or an. What do you think that? University.
An.
An
An,
or
Miss.
a?
Because
An. University.
On university.
An, Miss.
University. Okay.
Miss.
Okay, somebody say Why
Maybe
Maybe.
because university.
Yeah.
That.
Be careful. Yeah, maybe when you are in the senior high school, yeah, in your junior high school, yeah, your teacher said that everything, every word that in the front, every alphabet in front of A, I, U, E, O, vocal, we use an. Ya, gitu misal guru ngasih tahu. Everything that in front of the say that A, I, U, E, O. A, I, U, E, O. For example, like apple. Yeah, in front of the alphabet is a vowel. Yeah, so we use an apple. Yeah, it's okay because the sound is still in front of them. But university, even that the word in front of the alphabet is the U, yeah. But when you say that this is U, not U, right? Yeah. So we say that we put in front of them, not an. Yeah. Jadi it depends with how the word is pronounced. That what we front in the first. Yeah. For example, university, you say that you, not university. All right. You say that university, you. So that's this consonant. So you put a university. Yeah. Apples, a. Yeah. So that you put an apple. Right. Umbrella. Even the in front of the U, but you say that umbrella. So this is a or an? Still,
An,
because the first vowel is a. Umbrella, umbrella. So that's an umbrella. How about the hour? Hour.
Miss.
Time?
An.
Hour?
Miss.
Yes, an hour. Even in front of the word, yeah, is the H, yeah, huruf H, ya kan? But we not say that the H is off, but we start from the hour, ya, hanya hilang, right? Ya kan? So that's hour, ya, an hour, ya. Even dia huruf depannya in front of the word is a H, but we not say that H, but we say that's hour, an hour. Yeah, so that we put an. Be careful with that. Yeah, so that we can say that it depends with how the first word pronounce it. An hour, a university. Yeah, something like that one. Yeah, okay. See clear? So be careful with the use a and an. It's not only for consonant and for vowel, but it depends how you pronounce that word. Yeah. Okay. This is for the specific thing. Yeah. You said this one. If you and I, we have the listener and also the speaker have know that this is specific, and we know that what we are going to know. For example, you know that we have an apple. The apple is something like that one, specific. Plural, also we can use the, yeah, because we cannot use the and, or we thought that. And then uncountable, this is for the specific, and sometimes we don't use that, zero. No article is used to make generalization with the plural count and then with noun count. So make a generalization, we don't use an article, yeah. This is also are used in certain category, yeah, consists of indefinite and definite. Yeah, this is. Next, this one. The indefinite article is used before a singular noun where it's referred to a non-specific item. Refers to non-specific item. They are non-specifically identified. Yeah, noun that the speaker is mentioning for the first. The definite article is used a noun that have been mentioned previously. For example, here, I eat a banana. Yeah, I don't mention first the noun is, so that I just say that I ate a banana. But after I already mentioned that banana, I can say that the banana is good. Not again a banana is good. So that this is more specific because I already mentioned it and you know that, yeah, I ate banana right now. Yeah, I'm eating banana right now. The banana is good. Okay? So that if you want to say that in general, you can put a. After you know that this is specific, you can put the. Yeah, this is more specific if you put the. Yeah, to mention it's in a generalization. Yeah, this is also used. Yeah, categories. This is the example of the proper noun do not require the people's name. You cannot say that the John Locke, the Rahayu. You cannot say that. The title of the people. President Jokowi, you cannot put that the president of Jokowi. Yeah, okay. Yeah, the President Jokowi. Cities, the Bangkok, you cannot say that the Bangkok. But if you put it, where's Bangkok? Yeah, kan? Something like that one. Yeah, this is, you can say that. This is the rule for the using of that one. And this is proper noun that you require the museum, the ASEAN Civilization Museum, building, also the university, culture center, highway bridge, or something like that one. Yeah. Next, rules of the using article. Depend on generic or specific references. Comment on the use of the article in the sentence below. A paper on global warming was presented at the conference. The paper on, what do you think the difference is one? What do you think that? Depend on generic or specific reference. Look at this sentence. A paper on global warming was presented at the conference. The paper on the global warming was presented at the conference. What do you think that?
May I state my opinion, Miss?
Okay, Divya.
Yeah, for the first sentence, which states a paper, it is implied that the paper is still generic. We don't know which paper was presented at the conference.
Mhm.
But in the second sentence, the paper, which implies that the noun is already specific, which mean maybe the paper already have been brought in the past sentence.
Okay, yes, this is more specific. You should say that the pepper rather than a pepper. Okay, do you understand that, everybody?
Yes, Miss.
Okay.
I
Yes,
understand.
Miss.
Yeah, this is can see that. Yeah, now there's also the example, the sun rise in the east. This is the fact. Yeah, this is specific. This kind of the sun. Yeah, the lab report. Both the writer and the reader know which lab report is being referred. Yeah, and then you can say that also another example here. Now to make you understand that, let's we move to the exercise here. So have you ever checked this exercise and try to answer? Because if you only read, yeah, it's so what do you think? Aduh, membosankan, ya kan? And then oh my God, it's better for you to check the exercise, ya, to make me biar kalian biar lebih semangat. So what do you think that? Look at this one, number one. What do you think that? Is this put the or no? No article needed here. What do you think that the answer for number one?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, but the PPT not moving.
Oh, sorry. I think I just, okay, not moving ya. Okay, here. Pantes kalian diam ya. Sorry. Okay, everybody, can you see this one?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, yeah.
Yes, Miss. Now.
Okay, so sorry. Okay, for the first, this one. So what do you think this? What's the answer for number one? What do you think that?
Roughly, Miss.
Pardon?
Roughly.
Okay,
Mau aja.
roughly.
Miss.
The modern life is stressful. What do you think that? Modern life is stressful. Specific, general, or is just the information?
Martha, Miss.
Okay, Martha, what do you think that?
I think it's because it's more general, not specific, Miss.
Not specific. This is information. You said that modern life is stressful. So what do you think that the answer?
A modern life.
A modern life is stressful. How about the other? The modern life is stressful. Find out. Let's find out in your Google. Modern life. Biasanya orang-orang nulis modern life itu isi apa? Isi the, isi a, or without it. That's how you can check it. What do you think that?
Blank, Miss, ya. Blank. Without and the.
Without. Yeah, you can check that. How modern life, something like that. Find out modern day living, something like that one. Yeah, you can check it. It also, yeah, to make sure this word without the or a or without, yeah, you can check it also the way the word is commonly represented in the sentence. Yeah. So when you see that, when you check just modern life, yeah, check it in the Google. Gimana biasanya ketemunya?
I found it use a, Miss.
Use a.
Yeah.
Wow, what the sentence is? How was the sentence? How was the sentence?
A modern life is stressful because people become dependent more and more on modern gadgets and don't have enough time to talk.
Okay, a modern life.
But in the below is use the. So I confused, Miss.
Yeah. Don't be confused because you can use both of them. It depends with how you representative it with the speaker. Yeah, because this is the article. Yeah, we can use the is really deep. What's that? The answer is not what is correct. Is one is this. It depends with how you a representative or understand the sentence itself. Ya, jadi ada juga bilang pakai the modern life is stressful. Ya kan, because you want to make a specific. Ada juga you don't need to put the article, ya. So just modern life is stressful, ya, something like you telling a very general modern life is stressful, ya. So number one, ya, we can put the, we can also put no, ya, with no article. You can just say modern life is stressful. It could be, ya. How about number 2? What do you think that?
I think it's the Miss.
Okay, Nitya.
I think it's the because the country.
Yes, the capital of your country. Some of them can be easily to answer because they have some clue. Yeah, like, oh, if you say that country, yeah, as the capital, the name of the river, something like that one, we put the, yeah. So that here we can say that what's the capital of your country, yeah. So that the answer is here put the. Okay, do you agree that?
Yes, I
Yes.
agree.
Okay, how about number 3? How about number 3?
I think because the doctor and teacher.
Okay, a doctor and more than
Teacher.
A
a
teacher.
teacher. Okay, you can say that also a doctor. So which is mean general, you say that a doctor and more than a teacher is not really ya sebenarnya, ya. But yeah, in the sentence that say that seorang, so that's something in the general, yeah, a doctor, yeah. Even that if you have more specific, baru kita pakai the. Jadi bisa pakai a doctor here. How about this one, number 4?
The.
Yes, the computer. Specific, yeah, because you want to know that who invented the computer. Yeah, specific. Next, number 5.
The.
Have you ever said the newspaper? Yeah, specific.
newspaper.
Specific for
Yes.
the thing. Hey, you know that the newspaper that I put it? Something like that one, because the specific, yeah, the newspaper here. And then number 6.
And
And
Okay, is this
the first
time.
time.
First
the
time.
first time you have stayed at
the Hilton.
The
the
Hilton.
Hilton, because this is the building, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, the Hilton, the first, yeah, the first semester, the second, yeah. If we have the cardinal number like this one, yeah, you put this. The first, the second, the third, yeah. The first time at the Hiltons, okay?
Okay.
Okay, next, number 7.
Is the Nile or the Amazon the longer river on blank earth?
Okay, now this is the name of the river.
People.
Yeah, remember this. We can put the for the name of the bridge. Yeah, like with this one. Yeah, river also can put that. And then Amazon. Yeah, Amazon here. Yeah, also the name. Yeah, we can put the longest. Remember this? Have you ever learned about the comparative superlative? Do you know that?
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, superlative, comparative. Have you ever learned about that one? Not yet.
Not
Yeah,
yet.
one of the superlative, yeah. Comparative, if you compare one, yeah, you can use than, but for the superlative, because there is the lowest or the highest, yeah, like this one, the longest, so you can put the in front of it. It must, yeah, the longest river on earth. Yeah, we don't need to put anything here, only earth, okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, do you have a question?
Not for now.
How about the
Yeah.
other?
Not yet, Miss.
Okay,
So
number
far
8.
it's clear, Miss.
Okay, number 8. Several million visitors
Several million visitors a year attract to the ski slopes of the Alps.
Okay. How about the other? Year.
A year.
A year.
A year. Or attract to the
A year
to?
to the
ski
slope.
slope.
Okay, the slope of the
ski.
Alps. Yeah, this is the name also. You can put the, yeah, kan the name like this, Amazonial, something like that one, you put the. Yeah, this is also the in front of this one. Yeah. Number 9.
I will meet you
I will
outside the post
the
office.
post office.
The
I
post
will be
office.
there
So this
in
is the post office.
The post
Yes.
office.
Okay.
Yes.
The post
Post office. And
I'll
then
be
I'll be
there.
I
there
will be
in
there
the quarter.
in a
Quarter of
In the quarter
yeah.
An
hour.
hour.
of
Yeah. If you want to say that
an hour.
a quarter of
An
An
hour.
hour.
An hour.
Okay, di sini nya even this is H ya, as I say that H ya. This is consonant no, because we say that we don't need H. We say that from this hour, so that we put N here. Yeah, even this is consonant, yeah, we put N because how we pronounce that the first word that comes is hour, hour, yeah, so that an hour, a quarter of an hour. Okay, good. Next, number 10.
Blank young people tend to think that blank life is one difficult more in I think that past.
In
In the past.
The
In the
okay,
past.
In the
yeah,
past.
okay. In the past. Okay, good. Okay. Semuanya bisa? Sudah pelajari?
Sudah Miss.
Hah?
Sudah.
Paham?
Miss. Paham.
Paham Miss.
Understand.
Okay, good. How about number 20?
Number 20 is
The
blank middle is one of the world weapons.
The middle?
The middle is
I think blank.
Blank is.
Why blank? Why the middle?
Depends if you specific you can use the, if you are speaking in general you can use blank.
Good job. Yes, this depends. Yeah, we can use blank also, milk S. Okay. The middle is, this is the name of the place?
Not.
Arah mata angin.
Continent, Miss.
Is it specific or general?
It could be general. Miss.
Specific.
Middle is
specific, Miss.
information.
General.
Miss.
Specific or general?
Specific, Miss.
Middle
I think
is
it's
one of the
specific.
word hotspot.
Specific, Miss.
Specific.
Specific.
Is specific, this is used the or we thought?
The.
Thought.
The. Or we thought?
We thought.
Why you say we thought?
Because no article is used to make generation with plural count nouns and with non-count noun.
Okay, no article. Used for the? Okay, check again. Check again in Google. Middle East. We put the or not.
Is used the, Miss.
Use the.
Yeah.
It could be use the. It also could be no.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Miss. It
Yeah. Okay.
depends.
Depend. Number 19. What do you think that? 19.
Blank and the.
Blank
and the.
yeah,
Blank
because
and the.
it's of the month. Yeah, we don't need to put that. Yeah. Blank and the word. Ya kan? Biasanya kita bilangnya word, the word. Ya nggak?
Yes.
Number
Yes,
22.
The Tower of London
And
and the
blank.
Tate
The
Gallery.
Tower of London.
Tower of
Miss.
London and blank.
Okay. The Tower of London and blank Tate Gallery. Okay. She live in?
In.
She lives
In
Blank.
England.
England.
Blank.
Okay.
Blank.
Live in England. Which part of?
The
The
UK.
Yeah.
UK.
Just the United States dia pakai the United Kingdom dia pakai the. Oke? Paham?
Paham, Miss.
Oke, ada pertanyaan?
Miss, I want to ask a question.
Who say
Ini
this? Who saying this?
Nitya.
Oke, Nitya.
Ini tadi tentang materi di slide ke-5, Miss.
Materi slide kelima. Let me check.
Yes.
Sebentar. Saya share-kan aja. Ini.
Iya. Pertanyaannya, ini kan ada di example, I eat a banana. And number 2, the banana is good. Apakah selalu itu diikuti dengan the? Atau tergantung dari soalnya?
Pardon?
Selalu diikuti dengan the. Misalnya ketika ada pasti ntar ada juga the gitu.
Oke, that's it. Oke, apa lagi? Itu aja?
Ya, Miss, itu
How about
aja.
the other? What do you think that? Apakah always after that follow with the? Yes, look at this one. I ate a banana. I'm just telling you in my general that I ate one banana. Yeah. So after that, I would like to mention that the kind of banana is a very good, a sweet, and something like that one. Yeah, because I would like to more specific. So I say that the banana, not again a banana, because the banana means that the banana that I eat. Ya.
Berarti penggunaan the itu bersifat opsional ya, Miss. Entah kita mau spesifik lagi atau enggak. Tadi saya kira itu tuh kayak sejenis konjungsi gitu.
No. This just mention that what kind of banana. If I say that in general, a banana is good, which is mean that all banana is good. Because that's general, all right?
Miss.
Yeah, but if I say that the banana is good, it's referred with the banana that I eat. Ya.
Berarti tergantung orangnya ya, Miss.
Yes.
Misalnya kalau mau nyebutin enak ya enak aja gitu kan?
Yes. Ya. Enak-enak aja ya. It depend ya. Jadi yang mana yang enak, ya kan? The banana that I eat is good. Like that one ya. Okay. Clear?
Clear, Miss. Thank you.
Coba sekarang kita bermain game lagi. Oke, sebentar. Okay, good. We have 25. Nitya the last. Let me start. Okay, Mata good, Agina good, Vivi good, wow, Natya good, wow, nice. Good, Agina good. Okay, Vivi good. Okay, on fire. Okay, Safa, Natya, Dian, Yuda, wow, nice. Oh, 7. Okay, Pinky, come on. Wow, nice. Okay, Dini, you have 1. Okay, Devin, good. Nitya, good. Wow. Rafli, good. Agina, Devin, yeah, you can say that. Yes, Agina finished. Wow, Vivi finished. Good job. Okay, Devin finished. Dian finished. Okay, good. Wow, Yuda also finished. Nitya, good job. Wow. Rafli finished. Wow, Denny. Rafli, Devin, Dian, Safa, finish. Diva, finish. Wida, Bayu, Meta, Natya, Dwiantara, Pinky, finish. Laksmi, Restu, Wahyu, Dini. Good job. Okay, everybody already finished. Shena, come on, Shena. One more question. Come on, Shena. Okay, good job. So, everybody already finished. Good job. Look at this. Denny, finish. Nitya, you have 2 devices here. They finish. Okay, the first place is Denny, second is Nitya. Wow, the third also Nitya. Nitya, do you have 2 devices, right?
Yes, Miss. Yang pertama itu saya join pakai laptop, tapi nge-lag.
Okay, good job. Wow, kedua-duanya dikerjakan ya. Wow, nice. Okay. Let's we find that the fourth. Okay, the Fifi ya, karena Nitya have 2 devices though, so we can say that Fifi. That's the third. Good job. Everybody have good accuracy. So, is it easy for you to understand that? Okay, Stefan, you have a problem with this. Look at, what do you think that? The answer?
The, Miss.
Yes, look at the woman there because you and the listener have see that the specific woman. Yeah, look at the woman there. Okay, here, let's go to.
The,
Yes, good. Let's go to the cinema. Okay, next, whether there is
A fly.
a flight masuk. Good job. Wow, yang kalian sudah bisa? Is it clear for you?
Yes, Miss. Clear.
Question?
Yes,
It's
Miss.
clear.
Again? Clear?
Yes, Miss.
Oke? Oke. Udah tidak ada pertanyaan untuk ini? Gampang ya?
Sudah, Miss.
Oke, semuanya bisa ya? Kalau dilihat di
Bisa.
review, ini juga bisa tadi udah the. Kemudian ini, do you have?
A pet.
Pet.
Yes. Let's go to the cinema. For over an hour.
An
Yeah.
hour.
Okay. Can you open
The door.
The door.
There is a
Fly.
Yes, good job. Bisa? Question?
Bisa.
So,
No,
No.
not for now.
Miss.
Do you have a question so far?
Not yet, Miss.
Not yet?
For now,
Clear
Miss.
enough for you? Yeah, so that's
Yeah, it's clear for now, Miss.
the key is how to differentiate that. First, read the sentence. Try to understand what the sentence mean in the context. Yeah, what the sentence means. You should understand the meaning of the sentence, where it put the context. Yeah, this is specific or not. And then try to understand that, oh, I say that people say that the door. Yeah, it is more common to say that the door. Open the door, please, rather than open a door. All right? Yeah. Yeah, it's very common to say that open the door rather than say that open a door. Yeah. So that's try to make sense that, oh, this is the common say that people about this one. Yeah. Try to understand that and then try to read again how that the people usually say this. Yeah. So that you can differentiate when we use a and the. It's okay? Is it clear enough for that material?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Yes.
Yes,
Clear,
Miss.
Miss.
Read again, and learn again. Okay, now Divya, you have a question first about that one. Now you understand or not with the use of article an, and the?
Yes, I already get the image, Miss.
Okay, good job. How about the other? Wherever you don't read it, but now after we learn about this one, can you get it? And do you understand that?
yes, yes,
I
Miss.
understand, Miss.
Yes?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, good job. Good job, everybody. So that I hope that you can learn and learn again. Yeah, find out that because there's many sources that you can find internet. Yeah, a lot of things you can elaborate and you can export in internet. Yeah, okay. Now, let's continue to the next topic. Yeah, it's about a passive voice. So before that, have you ever heard that what's a passive voice? What's the function of the passive voice?
I think I've learned
Yes.
that in junior high school.
In junior high school, you gathered how to make a passive sentence. How do you change the active sentence become passive sentence? Have you ever got the material? Could you please the example that when we use a passive sentence, what's the function of the passive sentence, passive voice? When? or how to conduct to make a passive voice? Do you know that? How to make a passive?
Maybe it's not
Marta?
I think
use
in my
subject, Miss.
Marta,
Okay.
pardon?
Okay, Miss Nitya. Nitya will
No, you
go
say that
ahead.
first. Okay, what do you think that, Marta?
I think the passive voice is more in verb,
More in
not the
verb. What
subject.
happened with the verb?
The usually sentence is use I, you, but passive voice not use that.
Okay, in the active, use IU, the subject,
Yeah,
and then in
yeah, that's the
passive, we don't
subject.
use that.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
how about
Miss.
the other? Okay, thank you, Marta.
can I answer?
Okay, Nitya. Okay,
I
Dini after
think
Nitya ya. Thank you, Dini. After Nitya. Okay, Nitya.
I think passive voice it's changed the fact to the question.
Okay, change the fact to the
Question.
what kind of question?
Maybe ditukar gitu loh, Mas.
Okay.
Nah, sebagai pertanyaan ketika subjeknya itu atau pelakunya itu tidak diketahui secara jelas.
Oke, change. Oke, ditukar posisinya.
Iya,
Posisinya
Ya.
siapa?
subjek
Oke, subjek menjadi apa?
menjadi apa itu namanya yang keterangan itu ya?
Objek.
Iya,
Objek menjadi apa?
objek menjadi yang saya seingat saya di bahasa Indonesia kayak gitu, misalnya
Oke.
ayah memancing ikan, jadinya ikan dipancing oleh ayah gitu.
Oke, so subject become object and object become subject. Oke.
Yes, like that.
Oke, thank you Nitya. Dini, you raise
Can I?
hand.
I
Okay.
think subject of an active voice sentence performs the action of the verb. For the example, I throw the choice. The subject of a passive voice sentence is still the main character of the sentence, but something else perform the action. For the example is the toys is thrown by me.
Okay, it's depend with the verb, how the verb is it, right? Yeah. Okay, thank you Dini. Yuda?
Jadi passive voice ini ya Miss ya, subjek ini tidak melakukan aksinya atau kegiatannya, melainkan diterangkan untuk melakukan kegiatan misalnya seperti ini. For example is the handphone thrown by the phone thrown by Denny. Seperti itu, Miss.
Oke,
Seperti
ada
ini,
yang missing
seperti
dari
ya.
kalimat tersebut. Oke, ada yang missing dari kalimat tersebut. That you need to put it there, ya. So, yes, everybody, you can say that, a passive, passive voice, as your friend said that I can conclude, For the first, we know that the usually or the common sentence that we found is a active sentence. All right. So there is a subject, there's a verb, and also the object, where the subject is doing an action like what the verb do. All right. Ya, itu biasa, that's a common sentence that we found. Agree? Ya kan? Yeah,
Yes,
you agree that? Yeah, we have a subject and also object. Yeah, and then the subject do an action like what the verb is. But in the passive, we think that an action is not made by the subject, but how the object, what they get from the verb is it. Ya kan, for example, tadi sudah dijelaskan. Ya, for example, you can say this one like this one. Example, I give it to you for this one. I finished a project. I finished a project. Yeah. What's the subject?
I.
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 Finish.
Yes, I finished a project. I is the subject. Finish is the verb, and the project is
Object.
Subject.
The object.
object. A project is the object in that sentence. That's we call as a active sentence. I finished a project. Yeah, so that the subject doing an action that is a finish a project itself. Now, if we change it into the passive, how that object is become a subject and they did the action. How would the passive sentence become? If the sentence I finished a project, what do you think that?
The
Project is
The
finished by
project finished by me.
Project finished.
The project is finished by me.
Okay, what's that? A project
is finished by me.
Is finished by me.
is finished
By me.
By me.
By me.
Good. A project is finished by me. Good job. Objects become the subject, become a project. Ya, project diselesaikan. Dari tadi kan dia I finish, saya menyelesaikan. In Indonesia we say that. But here the object dikenai juga, tetap dia dikenai sesuatu, ya kan? Dia tetap objek, tapi dia sekarang berubah menjadi subject and then become a project is finished. Ya, ada to be. So that's in the passive voice. Ya, we put to be plus verb 3. That's it. Ya, jadi kalau misalnya buat pasif, if you find the sentence to be plus verb 3, that's a passive voice. Oke. Jadi kalau buat form passive voice itu selalu to be plus verb 3. Jadi kalau tadi awalnya a project sebagai become a object, is become a subject, ya, depannya a project is finished, ya. And then the subject I, if they become the object, it changes to the me, ya. And then subject C, for example, C finish a project. How that the passive voice, the passive sentence?
The project is finished by her.
A project is finished by her.
Okay, good. By her. Remember that how the subject in the pronoun change to the object, ya, to be pronounced seperti apa. You should know that I become
Me.
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 Good job. She become
Her.
her. He become
Him.
him. They become
Them.
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 We become
Us.
Us.
Our possessive pronoun, our team, ya, kepunyaan kalau pakai our, ya, tapi dia menjadi objek become menjadi us. Remember that. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, now let's we see this from this one. Everybody, can you see that my word?
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, my screen here.
Yes,
Yes.
I have two example of the sentence. You can say that the example 1, example 3. Can you read that first? Yeah, example 1 and example 2. Please read it. Read. Yeah, you can read it. Understand it. Okay. So what do you think that example 1, what is difference between example 1 and example 2?
Can I express
Example.
Okay.
Example 1 is
Mesti
Passive voice.
ya, be careful ya, pelan-pelan. Kita tak lihat nih, Miss nak lihat. Siapa want to say something?
roughly.
Okay, Rafli, come on.
The first one is using passive voice because the contract was cancelled by the studio manager. The studio manager is the subject and the contract is the object. And the example 2 is the studio manager cancel the contract. The studio manager is subject and the contract is the object. The difference is the example 1 using passive voice,
Okay.
the example using action or active.
Okay. Thank you, Rafli. It's only in the first sentence? Is it only in the first sentence? What do you think that? How about the meaning? It have the same meaning or not?
Yes,
Yes.
they have the same meaning, but using different active or passive.
Okay, different sentence that we use have the same meaning. Which one is, what do you think that is more clear for you to understand? The example 1 or example 2?
One.
From for me is example 1 is more clearer than the example 2.
Example 2? How about the other? Yeah, because there is no wrong and right answer. It's depend with you, the opinion. I would like to know that your opinion. What do you think that? Which one is more comfortable for you to be read, to be understand? Example 1 or example 2? From roughly, they said that example 1 is more understandable than example 2. Okay, how about the other?
In my opinion, I more
Okay,
understand example 2.
Dian, you say
Yeah.
that?
Yes. In my opinion, I more understand with example 2, Miss.
Why? What's your reason?
Because keseringan baca yang versi, maksudnya yang active voice, Miss.
Okay, because you are more comfortable to read active voice rather than the passive.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. How about the other?
I'm comfortable
Miss,
with both of them, both of two.
Yuda, what do you say that?
I'm comfortable both of them, Miss.
Okay, you comfortable both of them?
Yeah.
Okay, how about the other?
Same as Rafli, I choose example 1.
Example 1.
Yes.
I choose example 2, Miss.
Okay, Denny, example 2.
Example 2, Miss.
Okay. Okay. Yes. So everybody, this sentence, this paragraph, yeah, this paragraph have the same meaning, yeah. But we should understand first, yeah. If the example 1, yeah, this is the passive contents, all right, and this is the active contents. Okay, everybody, do you agree with this?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Miss.
Here is mostly, I think more than 16% use a passive, all right? Yeah, but here, yeah, you first should understand, because when we want to make a passive, sometimes we can eliminate the subject itself. Yeah, in the passive sentence, subject is sometimes is not required. Yeah, so you must be clear who are talking in this. Yeah, this is talking about the contract of the student manager. So that's here the subject, the performer. Ya, you say that here. Sebenarnya dia ini refers ke siapa? Ya kan, jadi dia belum jelas. Jadi kamu harus benar-benar paham. Nah, makanya in academic writing, ya, kita lebih cenderung harus bisa membuat pasif. Because we know that the subject who make this research. Siapa subjek yang membuat research kalau kita membuat suatu penelitian? Kalau kita membuat penelitian, siapa kira-kira subjeknya? Siapa yang melakukan action itu?
Diri kita sendiri.
Diri kita
ourselves.
Sendiri, Miss.
Ya kan,
Myself.
orang yang tertulis dalam skripsi itu, ya,
Yeah.
description created by siapa nama kalian, ya kan? So that's why in a paragraph or in a scientific writing, when you want to show the result of the study, show the data, you need to say it in the passive sentence, because everybody know that the subject is you, yourself as the researchers. So you need to eliminate you. Kalau gitu kan bosan jadi ceritanya kalau kebanyakan pakai gini. The researcher conduct the research by using this, the researcher, because you always mention the subject. Ya enggak? But if you only say that the data was collected by using this, ya tidak perlu lagi kamu menjelaskan siapa-siapa aja. Gitu loh, karena sudah tahu di data itu. Jadi kalau misalnya kita pakai pasif, make sure that you understand that the subject is clearly explained and you understand who is the subject. Paham?
Understand, Miss.
Ya, kalau di sini kan lebih enak
Clear,
orang tuh
Miss.
membaca. Bagi yang tidak terbiasa pasti suka membaca yang ini. Karena sudah jelas dia ada they sebagai subjek, the lawyer, ya kan, the actor, gitu kan, jelas siapa subjeknya. Ya enggak?
Iya.
Iya kan, sedangkan ini hidden behind the stock lawyer dan were passed down. If you don't understand, siapa? Gitu loh. Ya kan? Kemana nih reverse gitu? Karena objeknya, karena subjeknya dihilangin terus di sini. Ya enggak? Ke
Ya.
sini kan enggak they lagi, kemudian the lawyer, ya kan? Ke sini kan apa word like the iron in it and final notice, ya kan? Siapa? Into their faces, ya kan? Kalau kita nggak biasa siapa ini maksudnya dimasukin sama dia word like siapa yang mengatakan ini gitu kan? Paham nggak?
Paham, Miss.
Aha, jadi dia harus hati-hati kalau di subjek itu dia selalu memberikan ini selalu dimunculin sama dia ya di subjek selalu ada pasti karena kita ingin membuat kalimat aktif, ya enggak? Ya kan?
Yes.
But in here the contract was cancelled. Ya ini syukur dimasukin sama dia student manager, dimasukin sama dia subjeknya di sini adalah student manager ya di sini kan? Ya kan sebagai subjeknya di sini. Ya, how about this? Hidden behind the story, who's refers to? Kalau sini kan isi they refers to the studio manager-nya. Paham?
Paham, Miss.
Aha.
Understand, Miss.
Ya, jadi kalau misalnya more academic, memang kebanyakan kita biasa pakai pasif karena lebih akademik, tidak lagi merepeat subjeknya berulang-ulang. You got what I mean?
Yes, Miss.
Jadi tidak lagi repeat terus-menerus. Jadi kalau di repeat terus-menerus kan akan menjadi bosen. Tapi kita semua tahu bahwa ini refers to siapa, gitu loh. Paham maksud saya?
Paham, Miss.
Understand, Miss.
Paham,
Oke,
Miss.
good job. Ya, jadi ini bisa lihat kalian subjek-subjeknya kan seperti ini. Ini subjek terus lagi di repeat sama dia, di repeat terus-terusan, ya kan? So next, look at and focus with the passive voice here. Say that. Was cancelled, were passed. Okay, this is the use of the passive voice. Look at to be plus verb 3, to be plus verb 3. Yeah, were raised, to be plus verb 3. Yeah, were not kept, to be plus verb 3. Look at, yeah, this is a very important for you. Don't forget to put to be. Tadi Yuda rasanya memberi contoh ya. Kurang apa tadi dalam kalimatnya maka Miss bilang this is not complete sentence.
Kayaknya kurang apa ya?
To be.
By apa? To be-nya ya. To be.
Ya, to be plus verb 3, to be plus verb 3. This is different like this one. To be plus verb in. Ini termasuk passive sentence, passive voice or not? What do you think this? We're making. Is it passive or not?
Passive, Miss.
Passive continuous.
Are you sure that?
I think not, Miss, because ada tears-nya deh.
What do you think that the
Yes,
sentence?
passive voice.
Passive voice? Are you sure that?
She were making block revolts to red six.
I think it's active voice, Miss.
Active.
voice.
Yes, because the subject is on floor.
Yes, yeah, this is not a passive. Yeah, this is not a passive. Word plus verb in, is it a past
Continuous.
past continuous? Now, how we can
Continuous.
make continuous become passive? Ayo, gimana cara membuat kalimat continuous become passive? What do you think that?
Verb been made.
Oke, gimana? Ada rumusnya, my dear. We put being, tetap.
Being made jadinya, Miss.
Oh, being.
Ya, jadi kalau misalnya passive voice selalu to be plus verb 3 without changing the sentence itself. Ya kan? To be plus 3. How if the sentence contain continuous, which is the verb is verb in, all right? So,
Yes.
yeah, we need to put being to make a continue and still the verb using verb 3 again. Do you understand? Do you got what I mean?
Yes, Miss, I got.
Okay, now let me see that here. Can you see that my presentation?
Yes.
Yes.
The example ini kan, Miss?
Using the passive voice.
Belum.
Can you see my PowerPoint? Not.
No,
yeah.
Not Miss.
Okay, sorry. Can you see this?
Oh ya.
Yes.
Miss.
Yes,
Yes,
Miss.
Okay.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, you already have your background, that an example that I give you. Yeah, please realize that word, that passive voice is it. Yeah, this is the definition. This is definition. Yeah, the passive voice. This is changing the, changing to the passive voice. Yeah, definition. This one. Active voice take a form A does B, all right? The subject does the B from the object. But the passive voice take from the B is done by A. Still, yang dikenai pekerjaan pasti yang B sebagai objek. Ya kan? Tapi sekarang adalah different. For example, like this one. We choose the plastic film to cover the microphone. All right. Mana subjek? Which one is subject here?
We.
And the choose is the verb,
Verb.
plastic film to cover the microphone. Okay, now B is done by A. So we change that the object, plastic film, become the subject here. Plastic film, okay, was chosen. Why was chosen? Why we put the to be was here? Not is, not am.
Because past tense.
Because
Past
we
tense,
already
Miss.
did it.
Okay. Remember that what I said it before? Yeah. We change to the passive without changing the sentence, the tenses. All right? Yeah. So put to the first, this one. We choose. What do you think this sentence use? What tenses of use in this sentence? Choose ini bentuk apa?
Simple past.
Yes, past kan? Choose,
Yeah.
double O, choose, and chosen. Ya enggak? So this is the past tense. All right?
Right.
Yes, this is the past tense. Yeah, remember that. Now we change that plastic film because this is now the subject. We should consider with the subject. This is plural or not? Something like that one. This is plural or not?
No.
No.
Not.
So, yeah,
No.
past
No.
tense. Past tense because the sentence is past tense, simple past tense. All right. What the to be that we can use to mention that's the past sentence?
Was or were.
Good.
Was or were.
Were. Good job. Was or were. So that this is the subject is plastic film. All right. So this is because this is not plural. We can choose only was or were. And then we put was. Ya. Karena were untuk yang plural. You
Yes.
got it?
Yes, I got
Yes,
it.
Miss.
Okay. So that you put the to be was here. And then verb 3 from the choose. Okay. Chosen. Okay. By us. Why I bracket like this one? Because this is a very optional. We can put it or not. Yeah. We change by us. You got it?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. And I continue to cover
Miss,
the wound. Yeah.
Miss, why by us itu optional?
Optional. Yes. I would like to explain later. Ada after this one. Yeah. Because
Okay, Miss.
the passive, yeah, the subject, yeah, that become the object is optional. Dalam artian, you can put it or you can eliminate because the speaker or the listener already understood who did it, gitu. Ya, jadi dia bisa optional, bisa dihilangin kalimatnya nih, oke. Katanya ini bisa dihilangin, bisa juga dipakai untuk biar lebih menjelaskan, gitu. Paham?
Understand.
Ini dijelaskan. Ya, sudah jelaskan ini, ya kan, menjadi pasif, subject, was chosen verb to cover. Okay, this is the practical to be in a very irregular, ya kan? I am, we are, I was, we were, you are, something like that one. And then particular, so use this one. You should understand first how to change the verb 1, verb 2, and verb 3. Ya, harus dihafalin. Ya, irregular past must be memorized. Ya, hafal semuanya? Take, took, taken. Hafal nggak yang seperti itu?
Hafal, Miss.
Hafal?
Saya kurang hafal.
Only a few.
Oke. Exactly, sebenarnya ada rumusnya. Ya, if you realize that, ya, I learned this when I'm in the junior high school. I got from my teacher. Exactly, ya, ada beberapa jenis dalam penggunaan irregular. Kalau kalian bisa sadar, take bentuk keduanya apa? Took bentuk ketiganya apa?
Taken.
Taken. Apa yang bentuk kedua juga berubah jadi O? Misalnya, kan take, took, taken, ya kan? Break bentuk keduanya apa? Broke. Sama nggak kayak tadi took? Dia berubah jadi O, ya nggak?
Iya.
Dan bentuk terakhirnya apa?
Iya.
Broken.
Broken. Sama nggak kayak tadi? Bentuk ketiga dari take apa?
Ya, taken.
Taken.
Sama.
Yes. So itu jenis yang pertama. So in your dictionary, ya kan? Itu kan dia diurutkan based on alphabetically, alright? Ya nggak?
Ya.
Diurutkan berdasarkan alphabet, isn't it?
Ya, Miss.
Ya, jadi berantakan. Aduh, kesannya aduh banyak banget. Ada 200 kalimat nih, ada 200 kata yang harus saya hafalin. Ada 300 kalimat, ada 300 kata. Ya, if you want to make it easier, ya, try to make in the column, ya, is very important for you. Jadi kalian bisa cari kata yang pertama, ya kan, yang bagaimana take, took, taken, ya kan, break, broke, broken. Apa lagi?
Speak.
Speak, spoke, spoken. Kata kedua dan kata ketiga, yang keduanya berubah jadi O, yang ketiga tambah N. Itu dikelompokkan jadi satu. Paham? Terus, ada lagi bentuk kedua dan bentuk ketiganya sama. Seperti apa?
Read.
Put.
Bentuk kedua dan bentuk ketiganya sama. Misalnya, buy, bought, bought.
Bout.
Ya kan? Apa lagi?
Learn.
Bring.
Bring,
Proud. Proud.
bring, brought, brought. Learn,
Learned.
Learn.
Learned.
oke.
Learn.
Learn, learned itu beda lagi. Ada yang belakangnya berubah menjadi T semuanya. Ya kan? Apalagi kira-kira yang berubah, yang bentuk kedua dan bentuk tiga yang sama? Apalagi?
Sing.
Sing,
Sing, sang,
House.
sang.
sing, seng, sang, beda lagi dia. Itu
House,
jadi cari
Miss.
kan. Ya kan? Cats, couch, couch. Ya kan? Ya kan? Bisa dicari seperti itu. Kemudian ada lagi bentuk satu, kedua, dan ketiganya tidak berubah. Ya kan? Sama. Misalnya apa? Put,
Run.
put. Terus?
Run.
Cut. Kalau run?
Run, ran, run.
Run. Itu temannya adalah sing, seng,
Run, run,
sang.
run. Yes.
Ya. Run, sing, seng, sang. Ya kan? Kemudian apa lagi?
Heart.
Oke, itu ya. Jadi kelompokkan seperti itu. Kalau kalian mau, kalian pelajari untuk kelompokkan seperti itu sehingga you are easily to memorize that. Ya, that's my trick. Ya, jadi dulu ngapalin seperti itu. Swim, kemudian freeze, froze, frozen. Itu temannya ada pasti froze, frozen. Berarti temannya sama break, broke, broken. Yang seperti itu. Ya kan? Jadi ada dia perubahannya seperti itu, terus kalian hafalin. Jadi sehingga kita itu hafal. Kalau kita sudah mengkelompokkannya seperti itu. Ya kan? Emang agak tuyuhan sedikit. Mana ya catatannya? Coba nanti Miss akan berikan catatan yang dulu Miss pernah dapat waktu Miss SMP Miss kerjain itu. Jadi sekarang berguna, sangat-sangat berguna gitu loh. Paham?
Understand.
Oke, itu harus hafal ya. Dan here, active, working ini menjadi pasif seperti ini. The agent is optional in the passive voice and can be omitted if not important to the rest of the sentence. Ya, jadi bisa dibilang seperti itu. Ya, jadi tadi ditanya why, ya, kenapa dalam pasif itu tadi Miss pakai bracket? Ya, because the agent is optional. Ya, sometimes you don't need it because you already understand about what is meaning it. You got it, Nitya?
Yes, Miss, I got
Ya,
it.
jadi it's not really important to the rest of the sentence. Ya, jadi kalau kita buat ini kan otomatis kita udah paham siapa yang melakukannya gitu loh. Jadi bisa dipakai, bisa enggak. Kalau gini aja kalimatnya political arm were installed is okay. Gitu. Paham?
Paham.
Oke. Selanjutnya, nah ini. I finished a project in an hour. Pasifnya menjadi
The
pasifnya menjadi
project.
The project is finished by me
project is
in 8
finished.
hours.
Project is finished
oke.
By me in 8 hours.
Is finished.
Project.
Oh.
Yeah, is finished. Yeah, is finished. How about number 2? I finished 3 projects.
3 projects are finished in 8 hours.
Okay, do you agree, everybody?
The 3 project is finished by in
Are
8 hours.
What is the to be that we use in the passive voice here? I finished 3 projects.
Are.
To be-nya apa?
are
Were.
Verb.
Was.
Was. Look at the sentence. I finished 3 projects. What the sentence used in this?
Are
are
What the tenses used this here?
Projects.
simple present tense.
Simple present. Simple present
Yes.
to-be-nya apa
Oh,
biasanya? Am, is, are.
Is
Sekarang lihat,
are
which one is the subject right now if the passive?
are are
Subjeknya mana?
3 projects.
project.
Three
project.
project. Three
Project.
projects is plural or singular?
Plural.
Plural. Berarti to be-nya apa dipakai?
Are
Are. 3 projects are finished.
finished in 8 hours.
Okay, do you understand that?
Yes, I
Yes,
understand.
Yes,
Yes,
remember that.
Miss.
To be is depend with what the subject. Sekarang we should follow that. What the subject, because the object here is become the subject. So we should follow it. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, become this one. I finish a project in 8 hours.
In 8 hours,
Project.
I finished a project.
The
Pardon?
project was finished.
A project
A project was finished in 8 hours.
was finished.
Was
Good
finished
job.
in 8
Was
hours.
finished in 8 hours. How about this?
3 projects were finished.
The three projects were
Wow.
finished in 8 hours.
Yes. Okay. Remember this. Okay. Understand?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss, I understand.
Yes, Miss.
Next. This is you should be remember. Remember. Simple present. Active helps. This is the verb. Become passive is help. Need to be. Okay.
Okay.
To be is depend with the subject because the object is the boy here and that becomes the subject here passive and this is become the subject right now so that we need to be is. Present progressive or continuous. I say that is helping. This is a continuous to be plus verb ing. All right. So it's become the passive, yeah, without changing the meaning or the tenses. We said that is, yeah, plus being. Why is? Because still the subject is the boy. If the subject is the boys with S, we change here become are. The boys are. Is depend with the subject, yeah. And then we put being to make it still in the progressive because passive to be plus verb 3. But because this is progressive, we need being here to make continuous. Understood? Understand?
Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Yes. Present perfect has help. Because the subject is Mary, we put has. But if the subject is they, what they is? Have. Yeah. Because Mary has, kalau they have helped the boy. And then this is become present perfect. We put been here. Has been helped. Have been helped. Okay. Don't forget to put been here in the passive for the present perfect. Simple past here. Mary helped. Okay, so that the to be plus verb 3 to be can be was, were, depend with the subject and plus verb 3. Same like past also from progressive was helping, was being helped. And then simple future will, don't forget to put will be. Do you understand that?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Yes,
Miss.
good. Next, we change this. We snap this cartridge into the model. How was the passive? What do you think that the passive?
The cartridge was snapped into the model.
The cartridge
Was
This
This
cartridge
cartridge was snapped
Was
by
snapped
us
was snapped
into the
by the
was
model.
snapped
the model.
into the model.
Good. This cartridge was snapped because this is past tense. So the to be is was or were, but this cartridge only one, so we put was. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, next. We mounted the model on the lampstand.
The model,
The
The model was
was
mounted
mounted on
The model
the
was
launch
mounted
launch stand.
on a launch stand.
Okay, good. The model was mounted on the lampstand. Good. Clear? Do you understand?
Clear,
Yes,
Miss.
Miss.
I
Clear.
Do
understand.
you have a question?
Clear.
Not for now.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Not
Easy? Is it very easy?
Como bigyan naman ito.
Setengah-setengah, Miss.
Quite easy, Miss.
quiet.
Now, let's play game
quiz.
again. Yes, but this is quite different. Yeah, have you ever learned Kahoot before? Play game with Kahoot?
Yes, Miss.
Pernah pakai Kahoot?
Pas kok kakak.
Okay.
Miss.
Yes, let me play this here in Kahoot. You can see that the question in the screen and then the answer in your gadget. Yeah, okay. Please join at kahoot.it. Yeah. Okay, let me start the game, yeah? Only 10 questions. Passive voice, remember that. Okay. Okay, good job. Wah, you still have wrong ya, ada pakai ourselves ya. Newspaper
Miss,
to be.
sorry, I have trouble in connection.
Yeah.
The question is not in my phone.
Okay, yeah, it's okay. It's okay. To be plus verb 3. To be plus verb 3 ya. Remember this. Ya, masih ada yang salah nih. Bentuk ketiga dari sell apa?
Sold.
Ya, sell, sold, sold. Oke. Next. Oke, siapa yang menang pertama? Oke, Winda tercepat. Denny, Dian, Wiantara, and Wida. Oke, continue. The second question.
Yes, I'm sorry, the connection is so bad.
Yes, okay. Good job. Bill, remember this. Kalau yang ini bagaimana? Bentuk keberapa ini?
Pertama.
Bentuk
Pertama.
pertama. Bentuk keduanya build, pakai T,
Build.
sama kayak send. Ran, seperti itu ya. Nah, ada masih yang salah. And then this is build. No, my dear, remember. In making passive voice, to be plus
Verb 3.
verb 3, to be. Remember to put to be. Ya, kalau jawabnya cuma build aja itu salah. Ya, oke. So, let me check siapa. Oke, Denny, the highest ya. Dian, Rapli, Dwiantara, and Pinky. Next. Number 3. Okay, good. Ya, Helen. Ya, oke. To be-nya aja was dan were di sini. What do you think that Helen? Was or were?
Was.
Was.
Was. Remember that. Bentuk ketiga dari choose.
Chosen.
Chosen. Ada yang masih salah nih, pakai was choose. Ada juga pakai were chosen. Remember that the subject is Helen here. Bukan pakai were. Oke?
Okay, Miss.
Oke,
Masih
Miss.
ada yang salah. Semoga tidak salah pencet ya, tapi kok konsisten salahnya ya. Oke, next. Oke, Rafli on fire. Oke, ada Denny, Dian, Devin, Rob, and Pinky. Oke, good. Next. Question number 4. Oke, still ya, dan masih salah nih, konsisten nih dua-dua nih, ya. Who is this ya? Oke, look at this. Oke, di sini hati-hati, ada yang membingungkan menggunakan verb being. Ya, lihat being. Lihat, to be-nya apa? Kok pakai has atau have? To be itu kan what? Was, were, ya enggak? Am, is, are. Jadi dia udah pasti salah. Sekarang kita lihat ada dua kemungkinan. Has atau have. Ya enggak? Ya enggak?
Yeah.
It's depend with the subject. Look at the subject. The new swimming pool. What is this? Singular or plural?
Singular.
Only one. So we use has. has been opened. Kira-kira what the tenses that we use here? Has been opened. Do you
Past
remember that?
Verb 3. Verb 3. Perfect.
Perfect. Present.
Present perfect.
Present perfect. Ya, pakai has been opened. Paham?
Paham
Jadi
ya.
nggak has been open, karena kan nggak ada to be. Has ini kan bukan to be, ya nggak? Ya nggak? Sedangkan kalau kita continuous kan to be plus verb ing. Kalau change into passive, it become to be, being plus verb 3. You got it?
Yes, I can
Yes, Miss.
You got it? I got it. Okay, next. Okay, good. Devin, okay, on fire up. Pinky, Dini, and Dini. Yang lainnya masih bisa mengejar ya. Okay, next. Question number 5. Okay, good. But still, ada yang masih salah. The flowers. More than one, alright? Ya nggak?
Ya, Miss.
Yes.
Jangan
Yes,
terkecoh
Miss.
tubinya yang lain. Yang is sudah pasti salah.
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 Ada yang jawab pakai is. 3 orang nih. Ya, jadi kita fokus di are. Oke, kita lihat mau positif atau mau negatif. Ya enggak?
Ya, Miss.
Look at. Ingat tadi rumusnya apa? For the passive voice, to be
Verb 3.
verb 3. Oke, lihat. Yang mana saja sudah menggunakan verb 3?
Yang are aja, Miss.
Yang A saja. So that the
Yang
answer
A.
is this one. Oke? Ini kan water nggak pakai verb 3. Are being sudah benar dia pakai to be plus being, tapi dia tidak verb 3 di sini. Ya enggak?
Iya.
That the easy
Iya,
way
Miss.
to find out. Kalau pilihan ganda seperti ini kan gampang. Ya enggak? If the multiple choice are very easy, look at which one is contain of verb 3. Okay, good. Ada ini. And then look at the subject. What is it to be need? Ya, singular or plural? Are is MR or was word, something like that one. Easy. Okay? Be careful. Wow, Devin on. Okay, Devin on fire. Rap. Okay, Dian, Pinky, Laksmi. Okay, good. Next. Question number 6. Remember to be plus verb 3. To be plus verb 3. Check the subject. Singular or plural. Look at the sentence. Present, past. Oke, good. Tapi masih ada yang salah. Ini salah pencet atau semoga salah ya? Tapi konsisten salahnya. Hah?
Salah pencet.
Oke, ya hati-hati. Ya, question sudah pasti tidak karena tidak memenuhi syarat verb 3. Oke, ini ada question ya yang kuning bisa dia verb 3. Oke, lihat ini juga ada. Jadi ada 3 pilihan yang verb 3. Look at now the sentence. Yesterday and George as the subject. George. So yesterday, George. So that what kind of to be that we use here?
Was.
Yes. Was. Karena yesterday and the subject is George. So we use was. Isn't sudah pasti salah. Jadi kemungkinannya berarti yang pasti benar adalah ini. You got it?
Yes, Miss.
Okay.
Yes, Miss.
Yes. Okay, ya. Read ya. Jadi just for to make sure that you understand that, ya. Okay, next. Okay, let's see that. Okay, Rap. Okay, roughly on fire. Devin, Pinky, Laksmi. Good. Next. Question number 7. To be plus verb 3. It's very easy. Just check it. Only verb 3. Masih ada yang salah ini. nih. Semoga salah pencet ya. Still, stole, stolen.
Stolen.
Only one correct answer because only this using verb pre stolen. Yang lainnya cuma still, stole. Dan ini only this one using stolen. Okay? You got it?
Yes, Miss.
Next. Let me see that. Okay, Rap, still, Devin, Pinky. Okay, Wida, on fire. Yeah. Next. Question number 8. Penicillin, berapa ini? Verb pre, look at verb pre. Oke. Oke, lampau, ya kan? Was discovered. Yang verb itu cuma 2 aja, is discovered sama was discovered. Yang benar adalah was discovered. Ya, karena sudah lampau, sudah temukan zaman dulu. Oke, next. Rap, Devin, Pinky, Laksmi, Winda. Oke. Nice, Dini is back to answer. Oke, good. Next, question number 9. Every day. This is okay, good. Ada yang salah. This is
Plural.
Plural.
Put R. Okay, every day. Berarti dia simple. Simple present. Ya, so the answer is this. Ya, okay. So, let me see this. Okay, Devin. Rap, Pinky, Laksmi, Dian. Ini lagi yang lainnya mana nih? Okay, Restu. Come back. Come on. This is the last question. By my sister. Oke. To be plus verb ing. Ini to be kah? Has ini?
Aduh.
Oke, banyak yang salah semua jawab ke sana. To
Kurang cermat,
be.
Miss.
Yes, to be, being, lalu verb pre. Has ini kan bukan to be. Berarti yang bisa dipakai ini has been. Ini menggunakan kalimat apa?
Perfect.
Present perfect. Ya, present perfect. Has been. Ya, kalau ini salah pakai have karena a cake hanya 1. Ya kan? Kalau have juga salah. Kemungkinannya 2. Has, being, atau has ini. Tapi ternyata kan dia being. Harusnya dia to be di depannya. Bukan has atau have. Atau has atau have, tapi has been. Clear? You got it?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, good job. So the podium for the passive voice, the third is from the Rap. The third position, the second position is Laksmi. Good job. The first position is
Denny.
Devin. Okay. Good job. Runner up-nya Dian and Pinky. Okay. Good job everybody. Oke, jadi ini bisa dilihat. Oke, masih banyak yang salah juga accuracy-nya di sini. Oke. So far, do you understand that?
Yes, Miss.
Yeah.
Yes,
After
Miss.
this, yeah, in the e-learning, I will give you or send you the material about this one, and also I provide again with the exercise. Okay, so that you can learn and learn again in e-learning. Yeah. Almost, I always give you exercise so that you can practice more. Okay, you can discuss with your friend if you don't understand, and if we have a virtual meet like this one again, so we can discuss again what's your problem. Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, so far, do you have a problem? Do you understand that with all the material that we learned from today?
Yes, Miss.
So
So
far,
what
yes.
we have learned from today? What's the material that we have learned from today?
How to
Passive
differentiate
voice
and passive voice.
Okay, the use of the article, an, the, and then the
Passive voice.
Passive voice.
Passive voice.
Okay, the passive voice. Okay, remember that what you should be remember in the change the sentence into passive voice.
To be and verb 3.
Use verb 3.
Okay.
To be and verb 3.
Okay, for the first that you should remember that when you change into passive, remember to be plus
Verb 3.
verb 3. The second one is remember that what the tense is used in the active, yeah, and when you change into the passive, you cannot change the tenses, yeah, only change the verb to be plus verb 3 without changing the tenses. For example, in the active, use simple present. You cannot change into passive using simple past. That's it. So that you need to put the to be am is are, not was were. Okay. In the active, we use a progressive, yeah, present progressive. We cannot change that into passive, become present, simple present, yeah, but still in the present progressive by adding being. Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, to be
Okay,
is are
Miss.
plus being plus verb 3. Remember that. Don't change the tenses. Yeah, only change the verb. Yeah, to be plus verb 3 for the passive voice. To be is depend with the subject. Yeah, the subject plural or singular. What kind of tenses that use? Past, present, or future, something like that one. Yeah, you got it?
Yes, Miss.
Yes,
Okay.
Miss.
Yes, Miss, I got it.
Okay, have a question?
Not yet.
Okay, so after this, I would like to check your attendance. Is everybody already here?
Yes, Miss, but one person is
Yes, Miss.
closed. Wait.
Who is Divya? Oh, Divya already here. Who is cannot join from today?
Marta, Miss.
Okay,
Marta, Miss.
Marta. Tadi Marta ada ya?
Ada, Miss.
Ada, Miss.
Sekarang hilang. Siapa lagi? Harusnya kita 26 ya, termasuk Miss ya.
Natia.
Siapa? Natia ya?
Natia.
Oh, Natia, mungkin like connection ya. Tadi ada
Iya,
kok.
Miss.
Tadi ada
Ada.
kan? Oke,
Ada
so
Natia.
sudah hadir semua
Ada
hari
Denny
ini. So
juga
thank you
hilang
everybody.
semuanya.
Yeah, thank you for joining in this. I hope that you get something and then you can learn. Yeah, so I would like to do a discussions. Yeah, it's not just I'm lecturing, but from you also, if you have something, you can share to us and we can share together. Yeah, as we do discussions. Yeah, it's not only for me, but you can find it in the resources. Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Okay,
Okay.
Miss.
Thank you
Okay,
for
Miss.
today. Are you happy right now?
Yes, I'm so
okay.
happy.
Yes, yes,
Okay,
yes.
Miss.
I hope that you keep your spirit up like this one. Yeah, so that we can get a very comfortable learning experience. Yeah, okay. So everybody, let's we end for our meeting for today. After that, I'm going to continue for the e-learning. You can do the exercise in the e-learning that I would like to share to you. Yeah, okay. So thank you everybody. See you again next week. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, Miss.
Thank you so much,
Miss.
Miss.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Miss. Thank you.
Welcome.